What's going on, everybody? It's Letitia with BearFruit Gardening. I hope that you're doing well. I just want to review some product that I purchased today at a local farm stand. And you know what? I'm just excited to try it. This is Spring Valley Farms in Kentucky, Caneyville, Kentucky. It's about an hour, 20 minutes or so away from where I live. But we didn't drive there. Their product is sold at a farm stand here in my city. So, okay, so the name of this product, Frog Jam, right? I was tickled to death, and I was like, baby, we've got to try it. So frog stands for fig, raspberry, oranges, and ginger. So I'm interested to see how this is going to taste. Now, y'all know I have fig trees, but never have had actually a fresh grown fig before. Love fig Newtons, but I keep hearing, Letitia, is just nothing like it. Nothing like a fig Newton. Nothing like a fresh fig off the tree. So I'm hoping very, very soon that I'll be able to try my first fig. But until then, I'm trying to, just sample other products that are naturally grown. And I'm excited to try the frog jam that features fig. And if you look at it here, I mean, it looks very figgy to me, right? And yeah, smells definitely like figs. I don't even get a lot of the other flavor tones in there. It's very figgy, so I'm excited to try that. And then my husband and I absolutely adore apple butter, and they made a cinnamon apple butter as well, so I'm excited to try that. I mean, most of us have seen apple butter. So I'm gonna do a taste test on camera. I have the frog jam featuring fig and the cinnamon apple butter. Let's see what's going on with this. Don't mind the mess behind me. We just had dinner. Okay, so first the fig, because I want my palate to be very, very clean and fresh. I drank some water. So yeah, I'm ready to receive the fig or the frog jam. So here we go. Yeah, I'm excited. Okay. Y'all have to forgive me. One minute. One second. Oh my god. One second. Spring Valley. Y'all better hope I don't find y'all, because I will slap every last one of y'all. That was delicious. When I tell you, I have never in my entire life, I will make myself sick eating this jar of frog. I can't even describe to y'all. Figs kind of taste a little bourbony-ish. And I know there are different varieties. Like, I really don't need to eat another piece, but I really want another biscuit so I can. It was sweet. I didn't get a whole lot of, there it is, the orange. I kind of, but it's very subtle. The other flavors are very, very subtle. The ginger, the orange, the raspberry. But that fig, my dear. Yeah, Spring Valley Farms, y'all. Oh God. Hold on, I just got to do it again. Wait a minute, y'all. I can't. I just 1 second. I'm sorry. You see, I don't know if that's the biscuit, but no. Now the ingredients on here, yeah, excuse me, it does say, y'all know who that is. So here go the ingredients right here. But yeah, the fig has a lot, like this combination of ingredients. And it's definitely sweet. Gosh, it's so good. I can't even describe it right now. Okay, now I'm ready to try the cinnamon apple butter. I just can't get over this fig. I really can't. But let me move on. Okay, so cinnamon apple butter. Oh my god, this is so good. Yeah, that cinnamon sets it off. That cinnamon sets it completely off. It is delicious. Okay, now I'm full. And yeah, I have to understand I had a steak salad and a baked potato before I had these biscuits. I'm full as a tip. This is my dessert because it's delicious. Thank you so much, Spring Valley Farms, for changing my life. I don't know if y'all can order this online. Well, it says for more information or to order. There you go. So, yeah, check it out. It's just delicious. It's absolutely delicious.